Let's say you own a beautiful shopping mall with all kinds of goods and products. Now your problem must be selling. Month after month, you spend lots of time, money and resources on marketing strategies to sell more products to your customer, such as decorating your shopping mall or running attractive social media ads to bring more customers. But it's discouraging when more than 90% of the customer leave the store without making a purchase. To tackle this, we created AICA, an AI customer analyzer toolkit powered by artificial intelligence and computer vision technology that help to increase sales rate by analyzing customer data to understand their needs. When customers enter the mall, it predicts their primary attributes such as gender, age, emotion and race, then store that information in the database to explore their interest. Moreover, the system analyzes customer vocals to understand the sentiment of their feedback. Later, the collected data can be used to prioritize future products and decisions. This toolkit comes up with the two pieces of software. One is the monitoring system placed at the mall entrance. The second one is the management panel where all the collected data are managed and analyzed. From the management panel, the business analytics team can extract the data insights with charts and visualization that provide comprehensive analytics report to improve customer satisfaction and sales rate. Don't waste your time and money on traditional customer analysis strategies that do not deliver the expected result. Invest in AICA and watch your sales skyrocket. As the project management methodology, Prince2 will be used, which stands for Project in Control Environments. It has 7 stages: starting up the project, initiating the project, directing the project, controlling the state, managing product delivery, managing state boundaries and closing the project. These best practices of Prince2 will ensure the project delivered on time. As the development methodology, Agile will be used in sprints and story-based approaches to managing the project effectively. To maintain the industry standard, Microsoft Azure Board will be used to handle the task and work in a clean environment. GitHub will be used to manage the project source code with the best coding practices, naming convention, and proper conventional commit messages to auto-trigger the DevOps integration with the collaboration of Azure Board. Documents, agreements, and project ownership will be transparent and legally shared with the investor, and both parties will sign and have their relevant ethical documents. After the agreement, any changes or improvements in the project will go through the project board for the approval. The estimated project budget is 8,000 GBP and 35% of the budget is allocated for the development team. 20% of the budget is allocated to the implementation. 15% of the budget is allocated for the maintenance. And the balance 30% of the budget is allocated for marketing. The return on investment is guaranteed to settle back within 3 months. This product will be given in a subscription-based model to users for 30 GBP per month. Initially, our marketing team is targeting 1,000 users. Out of 1,000 users, if 10%, 100 of users join our subscription, we can settle back the ROI within 3 months. AICA is a cost-effective solution that helps retail businesses save time and resources while increasing sales. Stay happy to join as an investor or stakeholder in this fantastic project.